In front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, launch Messages and select or create a chat. Firstly, to add an audio file, click on this plus at the bottom left corner, select Files, and look for your file by hitting Audio at the top, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video window, select Gallery, locate your video that you wish to add and click on it. Then tap on one of those options if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video and hit Add. You can do exactly the same by tapping on Folders and selecting your video from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!